guys, a quick intro video to give you some context. I'm not a tradesman. I don't work in the trade industry. I'm actually a firefighter, which does give me a lot of time off to give DIY a crack. Anyone can do this stuff. I know it looks like a lot, and it is if you focus on the whole project at once, but you break it down into little parts and you just got to push through the hard times, not give up, and be willing to learn from your mistakes. Or in a shorter sentence, be a can, not a can't. I've split the video into 3 parts. This is the first one. Enjoy. I tell you, really entrenched in work here, but it's coming along in spades. Bazinga! Tash is having buckets of fun. Oh, what do you call a man who takes dirt out of a hole?
I forgot.
Doug. What do you call a man that puts dirt back in the hole? Phil. Leveling out the block. COVID safe, obviously. It's looking good. It's looking good. Morning's finally arrived. Oh. That's a house. I hope.
Like an IKEA flat pack.
Right, finally got everything bolted in. All the string lines, everything's right, it's in place. Got the instructions for the chassis floor. And I don't have the top plates welded on, as you can see, because I'm going to pop them on after. Slip them under, and then I'll weld them in place. Bit of a trick, so I don't have to worry about being 5 or 10 mil out. It's time to lift the bearers. Enjoys.
Alrighty, so we finally got the little chassis up for the granny flat. And so right now he's just drilling some holes. Working hard. And then I'll come along and bolt the plate and the top together so the top is then secured to the posts. And we're good. Cheers.
Well, standing up the wall frames today, and the rain's let off for a bit, which is nice, but it is quite cool. I think it's like 7 or 8 degrees, different from 20 from yesterday. But anyway, bought some new clamps and whatnot. They're giving me a hand because it's a bit windy. Doesn't look it now, but there are squalls. But yeah, hopefully can get all the wall frames up today and bolt them all down, and we'll have a look, see if we can get the roof trusses on. We'll see how the day goes. But yeah, it's coming together. Right, doing the trusses today. So got that much to do. Got my little work platform. Whoop, whoop. And yeah, dragging up all these trusses and popping them on. Sturdy. I can't go on with the roof trusses at the moment because I haven't done the deck support beam. So in order to do that, I would be well advised to do the deck, because otherwise it's just a bit dangerous because it's quite heavy. That's with the steel for the roof beam. So what I've done is I started the deck, just pin the outside, measured it all right, and now I should be able to just lay them in and build the deck. We'll get started on it today anyway because we don't have much sun left. And the timber we're using is reclaimed timber from another deck, so I got it super cheap. It's all merbau, and there'll just be some obviously old holes, but I might look at putting some putty in it later. But it'll still look great for the price I paid anyway. Alright. Well, it's Sunday morning. The sun's finally come out from behind the clouds. Fingers are warming up. How's Australia? Not anymore. Finally finished the deck. Midway through the third day. Bloody thing took a lot longer than I thought. Well, that's the roof battens done. Put on the fascias next. Fascias. You can see, got the side ones on already. So just put the front faces on, and a couple of days time put the roof on, because it's going to rain, storm the next few days. So about to get Tash and bring him up to the lockdown date night. Alright, open your eyes.
Oh my god! Josh! Oh my god! This is lovely! Thank you!
Right, quick update. Eaves are done. Gave a bit of a tidy up. Windows just arrived, so we are good to put them in, and have had to batten out the wall frames just for 90mm for the external insulation and for the windows. So, and the floor, the bathroom. We're ready to go. And that's a wrap for the first episode. Don't be fooled by the footage. I did make a lot of mistakes in this, from measuring the stumps incorrectly, measuring the trusses incorrectly, so I had to redo those, and just constant standing around, scratching your head, working things out. But if you can push through that sort of stuff, DIY is, can be for anyone. But if you did have any questions or comments about the episode, feel free to put them below if you're one of the 10 people that ever watched this. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Cheers.